Hello students, hope you are watching the video sent by us. In the previous video, I gave you the rules tables and formulas of converting an active voice into passive voice. In this video, I am going to teach you how to convert an active voice into passive voice in simple present tense. For converting an active voice into passive voice in any tense, you have to follow the 5 basic steps. These 5 steps are identify, swap, convert, add a preposition. Identify the subject, object and verb of a given sentence. Swap, that is interchange the subject to the object and object to the subject. Convert the given verb into past participle form of the verb. Add an helping verb according to the tense before the main verb. Add a preposition by before the subject. Dear children, remember these 5 basic steps. Identify, swap, convert, add a preposition. You also have to remember the formula of the passive voice. Object plus action plus subject. O plus helping verb plus past participle form of the verb plus by and subject. You also have to remember if the subject is a noun, there will be no change. But if the subject is a pronoun, you have to make a changes while taking it towards the subject. That is, I will become me, he will become him, she will become her, we will become us, they will become them. Also remember the helping verb. If the sentence is in a present tense, you have to use is, are, am. If the sentence is in a past tense, you have to use was, were. If the sentence is in a future tense, you have to use will be, shall be. In the perfect tense, if the sentence is in a present perfect tense, you have to use has, have. If the sentence is in a past perfect tense, you have to use had. If the present tense is in a future tense, you have to use will or shall have. Let's take an example. The boy hit the ball. Remember the formula of passive voice. O plus helping verb plus past participle form of the verb plus by and the subject. So, the first step, identify the subject, object and the verb. So, the boy is a subject, hit is a verb, the ball is the object. Second step, swap. Swap, that is interchange the subject to the object and object to the subject. So, interchange, the boy becomes the object, the ball becomes the subject. Third step, convert the verb into past participle form. In the given sentence, hit is a verb and the past participle also remains the same. Add an helping verb. The sentence is in a present tense, so the helping verb we'll use is. The ball is in a singular form, so we will be using the helping verb is. The last step, add a preposition by. So the sentence becomes, the ball is hit by the boy. Let's move on to the textbook exercise. Keep this rule near you or remember this rule of passive voice. O plus is, are, am plus past participle form of the verb plus by plus subject. Let's do exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with passive form of simple present tense. The first sentence, parents dash to see the principal on Monday. You have to make request in passive voice in simple present tense. So the answer is parents are requested to see the principal on Monday. Second sentence, sugar dash at lower rates at fair price shop. Brackets sell. Sugar is sold at lower rates at fair price shops. Number 3, progress reports dash regularly dash to the parents. Send. Progress report is in a plural form, so we will be using are. The past participle form of send is sent. So the answer is progress reports are regularly sent to the parents. Number 4, eyes dash in the basement. Verb is test. Answer, eyes are tested in the basement. I have solved the 4 sentences. The remaining sentence you will solve it by yourself, keeping the rules in the mind. Let's move on to exercise 2. You have to change the active voice into passive voice of simple present tense. First sentence, children leave all sort of things in school buses. The first step is identify. Children is a subject, leave is a verb, all sorts of things is a object. So the answer is all sorts of things. The past participle form of leave is left. So all sorts of things are left in school buses by the children. Second sentence, your conduct puzzles me. Your conduct is a subject, puzzles verb, me is a object. So answer, me will become I. I am puzzled by your conduct. Third sentence, a gardener regularly trims the hedge in my lawn. Gardener is a subject, trims is a verb, the hedge in my lawn is the object. So the answer is the hedge in my lawn is regularly trimmed by a gardener. Next sentence, I take good care of my toys. I is a subject, take is a verb, my toys is a object. So the answer is my toys are taken good care of by me. Dear students, I have solved 4 sentences. I request you to please try the remaining sentences by yourself, keeping in mind the rules and the formulas. Thank you. If you do not understand, please watch both the videos given by me again and again. Thank you.